In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a calendar view journal in Notion. We'll set up a clean calendar you can use every day with helpful prompts and quick ways to capture your thoughts. First, create a new page in Notion. In the empty page, type /calendar and choose Calendar View. When Notion asks where to pull data from, select the option labeled Plus New Database. This creates a dedicated database for your journal, which keeps entries organized and lets you use Notion's powerful features without affecting anything else in your workspace. Next, let's build a reusable template for your daily entries. Look to the top right of your calendar for the blue New button. Click the small arrow next to it, choose Plus New Template, and name it Daily Journal. In the body of this template, add the prompts you want to answer each day. For example, you might include what I learned today. You can add a few prompts to guide reflection, such as wins, challenges, or gratitude. Keep them simple so you'll actually fill them out consistently. Now customize your database properties so each entry holds the right details. Click the three-dot menu at the top right of your calendar. Select Properties and click the plus icon to add new properties. A select property works well for mood, giving you a single choice like calm, focused, or tired. A multi-select property is great for tags, so you can label entries with themes like work, health, or ideas. These properties will show on your calendar cards and help you review patterns over time. You are ready to journal. On any day in the calendar, click the plus sign to create a new entry. Apply the daily journal template, and your prompts will appear instantly. Fill out your reflections. Pick your mood from the select property and add any relevant tags. Notion saves automatically, so you can close the page at any time and return later. Finally, choose how you want to see your entries. Click the three-dot menu again, open Layout, and switch between month and week views. The month view gives a broad overview, while the week view keeps your current entries front and center for focused writing. That's it, your calendar view journal is set up and ready to use. Make a quick entry each day, and you'll build a searchable timeline of your thoughts and progress. Thanks for watching.